The fire was 7 times hotter. The king thought no one could survive it. 3 men stood in front of the furnace with one choice: bow or burn. They refused.
Throw them into the blazing furnace. Now.
The flames roared, soldiers fell from the heat, and the furnace swallowed them whole. But when the king looked inside, he froze. Not 3 men, 4, and the 4th looked different. The fire did not consume them. The smoke did not touch them. What was meant to destroy them became the stage for a miracle. And if you're walking through a fire right now, remember, you're not standing alone. If you believe God walks with you in the flames, type, "God is with me."